This video demonstrates how you can find a company domain from the company name using LinkFinder AI. The tool helps you quickly identify company websites to streamline your data enrichment process. In LinkFinder AI, you can first select the type of the input data that you're going to enter for the arrangement. Here, the input data is going to be the company name. Here, the input data is going to be the company name as we take the company name to find a company website. Then you select the type for the output data. So here, the output data will be the company website. The output data will be the company website as we want to find from the company name its designated website. For the company here, we just need to type in an example company. For example, Stripe can be one, so you type in Stripe. LinkFinder will find from the company name Stripe its domain stripe.com. Then you can upload a CSV of company names. Here I'm going to drop a CSV with company names. All you have to do is to drop a CSV. LinkFinder AI will enrich each company name with the corresponding domain for each individual company name from your CSV. You can check the result and see the enriched company websites for each company name. You can export the result as a CSV file. The last way you can enrich company website from company name in LinkFinder AI is using the API access. You go in the API access section here and click on View API Documentation first. This opens the API documentation, and you can go straight to company enrichment. In company enrichment, you have a call for a company name to website. You can use it to find any website from the company name by sending a post request with the company name to website type and your input data. LinkFinder AI simplifies finding company domains from names by allowing manual input, bulk CSV uploads, or API integration. Start enriching your company data today to enhance your business insights and workflows.